I'm not lucky. Tiger, I'm not lucky tiger. I won! Oh my god, a dragonfly. Hi, Sanad. Everyone, thank you. Thank you, Tiger. Tiger, thank you. I need to remove this. Thank you, Tiger. Do a shampoo. Tiger, thank you. Oh my god, pussycat! Thank you for the cat. Whenever I'm close, okay, you can know. Where are you from? Tiger, I forgot to ask, where are you from? Seriously. Washington, USA. Okay, USA. Me, I'm from Philippines. Thank you. You know, once you go here in the Philippines, you see a lot of beautiful place here. Like you see a lot of things. You see a lot of beautiful view here in the Philippines. If you have plan to visit here, like that, I can be the tour guide. I can be the tour guide. Nana, pakuha ng towel ko. Nagtatrabaho ko ba? Na, I can be the tour guide like that. Na, na, pakuha ng towel. Which island do you live? Batangas. You know, Batangas have a lot of beaches. Yeah. Ne, Pastor. Ay, nandun. sa kwarto, sa may lamesa, color gray. If you, no, if you like beaches, we here in Batangas we have a lot of resource na we have a lot of beautiful spot that I can recommend. Bilisan mo na, nene. Papuntahin pa dun eh. Alam na makalat dun. Nene! Alam na makalat dun. Dun pa dinala. Bigyan kita. I'm not mad, guys. This is our way of talk. How old are your siblings? 13 and 2. 13 and 2. Wait, guys. 13 and 2. Wait, Tiger. Tiger, just wait for me. I remove my clothes. What is your, what is this? Your job before? Are you army?